Welcome back to the Cryptoverse YouTube channel. My name is Brandon and I am back with another daily journal video for you guys. Let's hop right on into it. So, market cap is sitting at 1.7 trillion. We're about 1 billion or 100 billion dollars above where we were yesterday. Volume still sitting around the same. We lost about $2 billion in the volume as of with yesterday. Bitcoin dominance still sitting around the same. ETH dominance still sitting around the same. Market is up for a total of 1.5% for today. And let's hop right on into these 24-hour gainers. Bitcoin is up 2.6% for the day. Bitcoin is actually holding pretty steadily right now. We're flirting with about 39K, 38K. Ethereum up 2%. Binance Coin up 2%. Binance Coin has jumped back above Tether. Cardano 3% for the day. Dogecoin slipping down. I honestly don't think Dogecoin is going to leave top 10. Dogecoin isn't going anywhere. Dogecoin's community is too strong. And yeah, I just think Dogecoin isn't going to go anywhere. XRP, I think XRP has amazing potential once they settle all of this SEC crap. Polkadot up 9%. No need to talk about USDC. Uniswap 2%. Chainlink up 3%. ICP, I don't know too much about ICP, up 4%. And Polygon down almost 1% for the day. Solana's back on a rally again, up 15%. Now let's hop on into the weekly gainers. Kusama up 46% for the week. Kusama's shredding for the week. 46% for the week on Kusama. Eunice said Leo 38%. Curve Dow 36%. Theta Fuel 35%. And Theta 15%. Also, here's another one I want to look at. Filecoin. Filecoin's actually doing pretty good today. Up 25% and 24% for the week. Okay. So with that said, let's hop on into this news article that I found that it's pretty interesting to me. And I just want to share this with you guys. So Norton antivirus adds Ethereum crypto mining. So here, in a surprise move on the world's best known antivirus software makers is adding cryptocurrency mining to its product. So North 360 customers will have access to an Ethereum mining feature in the coming weeks, the company said. So basically you'll be able to mine Ethereum through your Norton app, which is, in my opinion, that's pretty cool, you know. The company pitched the idea as a safe and easy way to get into mining, an important part of customers' lives. So basically they're just making it so that the everyday person can mine Ethereum, because I know it can be kind of a hassle to mine Ethereum, you know, with the applications and all that extra stuff. And then here, I think this is how it's going to work. So mining Ethereum as a solo miner is very difficult, relying on luck and powerful computing hardware to receive coins. Screenshots provided by Norton seem to suggest that the system will instead use a pool, where a very large number of miners all contribute whatever computing power they have and split the rewards based on how much work their machines did. But such pools almost universally take a 1% cut of all earnings, being a widely used standard. So basically, whatever you mine, they're going to take 1% out of that, and who knows where that's going to go. I'm pretty sure they're going to pocket that. So here, this is why I say they're going to pocket it. If Norton pursues such a model, it would in effect, leverage its millions of customers' computers to generate a new income stream. So basically, they're just going to take 1% from whatever their customers mine, and then they're most likely going to pocket that. So yeah, this is how it works. Get your little screen here, your unpaid balance, your GPU shows how much, I guess this ring is showing how much GPU is using, and how much you're earning, and then shows the exchange rate and all that good stuff. And then here, this is the last thing I wanted to look at. Our customers can mine for cryptocurrency with just a few clicks, avoiding many barriers to entry in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So yeah, like I said, they're basically just making it for the everyday person to get into crypto mining. But then again, I don't know how long this is going to last, because I think Ethereum is supposed to be switching over to proof of stake when their London hard fork comes out. So I don't know how long this will last. So, yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and hop straight on into the charts. So here we're going to look at Bitcoin first, looking at the daily chart. So here, based off some wave theory, I drew out some ideas that I think could happen. So here with Bitcoin, let's put this in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 days up, which is a good sign. We got 4 days up, and then here, on this bearish pennant here, we are butting heads with the top of the pennant, and it's kind of pushing us back down. So this is kind of acting as resistance here in this pennant, and we're also, as you can see, volumes slightly increasing, but it's not enough volume to, for me to hop in here thinking, oh, we're just gonna fly up. So I would like to see more volume on this, especially when we break this. I would like to see increased volume. And with that said, so on May 19th, this is the day that shifted the market sentiment into a bear market here. So you get this high volume on this large range candle. And what I would like to see, I would like to see us get back above this high of this May 19th bar at 43,000, and possibly, sit on this here instead of, just flying off. I'd rather see us get back above here to show a sign of strength, sit back above there, or something like, work our way up to it, and then just, go sideways maybe for a time, or see something like this, work our way up to the 43,000, get a retest of it, and then continue up from there to the higher levels. And then also with these extra, or these things that I drew out, some scenarios that I think will happen, we could either see something like coming up to 40,000 here at the top of this pennant, and then come down to 30,000, and then see some automatic reactions happening and stuff. And here's another one that I could see us going up to 40,000 again, and then coming down to 25,000, some support around 25,000, 28,000. Or we could see something like a suckers rally. We could be in a suckers rally right now, come up above our market sentiment, and then crash again down to some previous levels of support. But during my back testing, I usually what happens is, we usually see, for me when I'm back testing, this is the one that I normally see happen, and then this one, and this one is the least likely. The purple is the one that least likely happens, but most of the time I see the green. So all in all, I just rather us get above this market sentiment day on May 19th and hold above this level for a sign of strength. So that'll be it for Bitcoin. I want to jump into, where is it? Filecoin. Filecoin is up 25% right now. So we're still in the downtrend. We're butting heads with this trend line. Actually, it's kind of pushing us back. A lot of volume coming in. And then let's check these Fibonacci levels. 50% is still up here at $144. And then let's check that market sentiment day, which was at May 19th again, which kind of shifted the market into the downtrend. Everyone's talking about, bear market maybe here and stuff. So I'd like to see us get back above the high of this May 19th day, which is around $104, $103, $104. So if we can get back above that and just hold this level, that would be a sign of strength for me. Also, I would like to see the volume back that when we break through here, so that it's just another confirmation, like another signal showing that there's actually people willing to get into this market. So that'll be it for Filecoin. Let's move on over to Solana. I want to check out on some Solana. Solana's looking very strong right now. Also, here we go with the reversal pattern for the swings, and it's actually, the ranges are getting very large. So we got here, and then we got a large range candle, volume starting to increase, and then we're also getting a cross on our MACD with increased volume. We are getting back above all the EMAs, which is a very good sign. Solana didn't really dip too hard during the crash. Let's check this. 68%. That's still a pretty large dip, but it's one of the stronger projects out of all the ones that happened when we did dip, because as you can see, we are almost back above the 50% level. The 50% level is playing as resistance right now here at about $40.17. So I would like to see us get above this 50% level. And again, where's the excuse me, the market sentiment level that shifted us into that bear market, that is all the way up here at $58. Now, if we can get back above this, this will be amazing for Solana, because Solana is an amazing ecosystem, and I think Solana has a lot of long-term potential. So that'll be it for Solana. There's one last coin that I want to check, and that is Harmony. I love this coin. I have to check this every time. So Harmony is just barely getting above this trend that's forming here. Here, let me turn on the trend line so you guys can see that. Here to there. 50% is at 10 cent. We are slightly above it, and it's kind of using this the 50 EMA as resistance. As you can see, we touched it and it pushed us right back down. So if we can close above 10 cent, volume's kind of dropping off, so that is kind of a iffy sign, but volume's dropping off and it pushed us back down. We are still above the 50% level for this trend, but all in all, again, market sentiment day, which shifted the market into that bear. Everyone's saying, oh no, it's over here, up at around 18 cents. And let's check our overall 50% level for this down trend here, which is at 14 cent. And as you can see, 19 cent here at the 78.6. So what I'm thinking is, because here again we have this bearish pennant showing up, but we broke this to the upside. But the thing is, the volume is not there, so this could also be a sucker's rally. So we could see something, you know, we could see us get up to the 14 cent and maybe come back down to, you know, 5 cent, or here at around 6 cent. But that is not what we want to see. Obviously, that's not what we want to see. Hopefully, what we see is, you know, get above here, hold these levels, and then go up. But that is, since we're in a market sentiment of a bear right now, the most likely scenario is us coming up to this 50% and pushing back down to some support, you know, to come test again and then gain some more support here and then just take off from there. But all in all, Harmony, great project. I think will do great in the long term. With that being said, that will be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you get notified when I upload videos. And I will have my Twitter down in the description. Also, I will have my Discord link in the description also, so you can come join a bunch of like-minded people, just help each other make money, and you can share your ideas over there. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.